It's Monday, first day of the show, and this is what we wake up to.
I spent the first part of the day in workshops like Metalworking 101, where I got to work with the cool kids, and a fiberglass demonstration about making wind fairings. I walked, and walked, and walked, and walked a whole lot more. I spent a good bit of time in the home build area looking at kit planes. Of course, there's also the actual air show. The A-10 was featured in its last year as a touring demo. In the evening, the powered paragliders took to the sky at the ultralight field. And finally, it was also a beautiful night for balloons.